Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, today I got a late start on the truck. I had some errands to run this morning. It's already after 1 o'clock. So I'm just going to do something real quick. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the rear window out and see what we got going on. Hopefully there's not a whole lot of rust or anything to actually have to patch up. So let's go ahead and take care of this and we'll get back to you. Alright, so now I got the window out. Okay, you can see it's out. Okay, the cab, couple parts in there. But anyways, let me show you here real quick. It looks good though. There's not a whole lot of one ding right there. Okay, not a whole lot of rust or anything really, except for surface rust. Looks pretty good. Hope you're getting it in the camera. It's on the inside part. Not a whole lot of rust or anything you have to really replace. There's the top. Anyway, you get the idea. So back window is out. Big accomplishment. Now I can go ahead and clean it up, get it all taken care of. Get it ready to primer and stuff. So that's my project for today. As you can see, mission accomplished. So we'll go ahead and do the front window tomorrow, or actually Saturday. So as you can see, got it all taken care of. And back window is out. Now I can start cleaning up around the edges of that thing, get it all cleaned up and ready for primer. So that's one less thing I got to do. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And God bless.